Turn. Come on, Gus. Good girl. Come on, Gus. You can do it. You got it. You got it. Good job.
You got one?
I only got one.
Yeah. That's the first batch.
There were some that we got, and for some reason they ended up having. It was better. They were smaller, and there were like 3 of them. And they're smaller, and they fit in the cages a little bit better than some of the bigger ones.
Right, some don't.
But yeah, the one that had 26, they weren't pretty.
Oh. No.
26 in one clam? One oyster?
It was a big f***ing oyster, yeah. I forget what they called it, like the cowboy oyster or something like that. And they said that it'll have, between like 22.
There it is. You got a silver one.
Yep. There it is.
Or white.
White.
You got a white one?
Yep.
Well, make sure there are any more.
I like the
there.
black ones.
The other chain and see if there's more. I found a few things.
Ew, gross.
There might be more.
You want some lemon?
There it is.
There it is. That's a pretty one.
It is a pretty one. No, I don't want any lemon. And where's yours?
You might want lemon just to rinse your hands.
Oh, and there's yours. Right, yeah.
Oops.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I like mine. Mine's bigger.
Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me over the engine, but I'm going to try. If not, I will just dub over it. But This is my new radiator right here. See how white it is right now? Oh, not white, but silver. I've got a new air filter in here. I've got a new serpentine belt down in there. And a bunch of new hoses and a new reservoir over here. Got an oil change and a new, I can't remember what pump I've got back in there, but I'll put it up here. Somewhere, I'll put it up here somewhere. Tell you what it is. But yeah, so right now I'm just letting it run for a few minutes. You told me to let it run for a little bit while he goes and works on something else. And when he gets back, we'll take it for a test drive, make sure everything's working okay. Back here, on all of my tires, on all my brakes, he did a clean and adjust and said from now on to just keep getting clean and adjusts until they tell me that it's time to get new brakes. But that I think I said it earlier in the video, that there's no lube. The people who installed the brakes didn't put in the correct lube, put on the correct lube when they were doing it. I also noticed there's no longer a pipe, and I don't know if I ever showed you before, but there was a pipe here because my generator used to be here. But now, no more generator, which means that is going to be turned into a battery box for my batteries for my solar, for my coach. And then I'll be able to take the batteries hopefully out of there and give myself more storage inside. But yeah, so oh, and let me go back around the other way. Another thing that I had done, I'm actually looking at getting rid of this back here so I don't have to worry about it anymore, because there's a lot of places that I can get into when I'm 21 feet that I can't get into when I'm 24 feet. So but yeah, I've also got a new padlock because I was driving down the road the other day and my door pulled open as I was driving down the highway, and so I had to pull over and had to get some bungee cords to keep it shut, but got it shut. And now I've got a new lock there, and I'm pretty sure I can lock it. I need to check it from the outside, but I was able to pull it closed and lock it this afternoon from the inside. So yeah, so stuck here, well, not stuck, here with family for about a week longer than I meant to be, but still need to get everything all kind of squared away in there, but it's a start.